Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix alarm app not working on iPhone iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, all viewers, all subscribers, please subscribe my YouTube channel uh, and share my videos and uh, like my videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. When alarm app not working on iPhone, first solution you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restart, and then your problem will be fixed. And then second solution, you have update your iPhone. So then alarm app not working, so you have update iOS latest version on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting and click on general, click on software update iOS latest version available on your iPhone. So you have must be update iOS latest version on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have reset all settings. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting iPhone, given a passcode, and then you have enter a passcode, and then 10 to 20 seconds wait and reset all setting. Only reset all setting. Do not lose any data from your iPhone, photos or videos. Only reset network reset all setting. And then other solution, you have check the silent mode. So then your alarm app is not working, so then you have uh, silent mode is off or on. So then you have must be checked from here. And then last solution, you have sound haptic check sound full. So then you have open the setting and click on sound haptics. So then you have from here, so then sound is full from or not. So then you have check, and then your solution is 100% working on your iPhone. So then you have any issues, so you have comments in my video. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.